which will be 50. Yeah? Yeah, well, whatever you use. I'll go for me. So if the leaves are in the water, just make sure the water is drained off. Yeah. Never tear the leaves because it becomes bitter. If you start doing this, yeah, it's become bitter. I don't want it. Yeah. Also, I don't muddle. That's why I'm not putting the limes. I rather to squeeze the lime juice or pour the lime juice, and I don't need to muddle my mint because some people put the lime pieces and this. If I put lime pieces inside, I muddle. I don't know how much juice did I extract. I don't want that. Yeah. So I squeeze inside. I know I got my 20 ml. I put the mint. I just press it a little bit, make sure there is no more water. I release the smell. But if I'm gonna start doing this or muddle it, it becomes bitter. I don't want it. I want you to drink the delicate drink and have nice minty flavor. Yeah? It's like minty tea when it's bitter or when it's nice mint. I put inside. I got this. I'm missing soda. Splash soda, not too much. You want to feel a little bit of rum. I'll taste it. The fizz is not really important here. It's not fizz. So if I'm gonna lose the soda, it's more to make it lighter. It's not really for fizz, So I taste. Okay, crushed ice. That crushed ice is quite diluted. So again, I do similar what I did with caipirinha. I put a little bit of cubes on the bottom. And I just finish it with the crushed ice. So I stirred it, there is the cubes to keep it nice and cold. Crushed ice is for me just for the effect because people love to see this cooling agent, So if it's full of the crushed ice is already wet. You can see as in half an hour your crushed ice completely disappear. If I put it like that and stir it, by the 5-10 minutes, maybe people go to toilet, smoke, coming back out, my mojito, they taste it, well, it's just water. You don't want it, yeah? So I want it to look like that. Again, I give them 2 straws. So they drink this crushed ice drinks a little bit faster, that's what I want, okay? Nice. For garnish, go different. This one? This one, yeah?
Double.
Yeah. So I take a few tops. I hold it right on the bottom. Again, you can squeeze a little bit. You can go around the glass so you get the aroma. And put it right below the straw. So when people gonna drink, it's affecting your nose. That's what you want, So they smell it like, oh wow, very minty. That's what you want. Right below that, glass, nice, easy. Took you 20 seconds. The mojito is done.